Are you looking to delete your chess.com account but don't know how? In this video, I will show you step by step how to delete your chess.com account on mobile, quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Chess app and then tap on these three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap Settings. And then tap Account. So now, at the bottom of the page, you'll see this little message. Your account is subject to the site terms and conditions. If you would like to close your account, tap here. So go ahead and tap here. And it will take you to this Close Account page. If you just want to delete your account and close it, simply tap the Close My Account button over here. If you want to close your account and remove your data, toggle this switch on. Tap OK. And then tap Delete Account. And now you have to confirm your identity to close your chess.com account. If you logged in with Google, simply tap on the Confirm Account button over here. Once you've done that, tap on the Delete Account button over here. And now you've successfully deleted your chess.com account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.